In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a list of software companies from Google Locale to Excel in bulk. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's go. To extract a list of software companies to Excel, we'll use the Google Local Business Finder. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Google Local Business Finder. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more queries. Select your target location. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Click the green button to launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel or JSON to save the extracted software companies to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of software companies with their titles, descriptions, domains, phones, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Google Local Business Finder and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.